to another episode of
Meet the Turners.
I'm Nikki.
I'm Aaron.
And today, what did you fix, Aaron?
Okay, what we got going on, we got some shrimp going on over here, and we got some grilled barbecue chicken thighs. Grilled barbecue chicken thighs. That's what we got going on. That's what we got. And we got a little Merlot. Without further ado, I'm going to talk to the Lord. Father God, thank you for the food I receive for the nourishment of my body. These and all the blessings we do pray. Amen.
Amen.
All right.
Hey, Foodie Gang, what's up?
Foodie Gang.
What is going on? These shrimp here.
We got going on here.
Yeah.
I say I got these little, well, actually kind of like side barbecue chicken thighs.
Mm-hmm.
You know. Got my little secret sauce on that jank.
It's your secret sauce.
It's not just Baby Ray's. I know you're going to say, yeah, you love Baby Ray's.
You do love Baby Ray's,
though. It ain't just Baby Ray's. I put a little something to that Baby Ray's. So,
What you put in here?
Secret sauce, sweetie. Secret sauce.
You want to tell me?
Maybe later on.
You want to tell me what you put in
Maybe
here?
later on.
Put in here.
Maybe later on. Just PG-13. Yeah. Yeah, shawty.
What you put in? This is good.
Yeah, I know that. Got a little flavor to it, you know. Like I say, you know, little grillness to it.
This is good. It's good. So you still not gonna tell me?
Some other time. This ain't the time.
That's messed up. That's messed up. You could tell me. I ain't gonna tell nobody. You know people still going in on Shaka Khan.
Shaka Khan, really?
Leave that lady alone.
I mean,
first of all, Shaka can sing. Everybody have a bad night.
I mean,
but I think what was throwing her off was she sung to an organ. And that was an organ, if I ain't mistaken.
She was her keys were all over the place, but, you know.
But it's hard to sing to an organ.
I can't talk bad about Shaka. That is like Miss Jenkins on In Living Color. Yeah, but I'm not saying that about no Miss Jenkins.
Yes. And I was almost Shaka Khan's namesake, so, you know.
So.
Y'all better back up off.
So y'all on your own, y'all can talk bad about Shaka.
Yeah. Because she got the body of work that can prove that she can sing. Chuck her all the way back to Shaka Khan and Rufus. Chuck her back, you know. Chuck her back then.
Well, yeah, y'all can't do, I mean, that's how we do.
Her credits, her credentials.
That's how we do as humans, you know. One bad thing, you know, we want to put on the whole person, you know.
And I ain't say nothing because I get the night of everything going down. People gonna make comments. You know, that's normal. But lo and behold, people still got stuff to say. And can't hold a note. You know what I mean? I sound good in 3 spots. In the shower, in the guest bathroom, and in the car. Them 3 places, I start singing, you just know my EP about to drop.
Now, I ain't got them issues because I got a melodic voice. And y'all, you know, I don't sing too much on here because it might get flagged.
And when we go to concert, of course. When we in concert,
these scraps are good.
Those shows make you angry.
Yeah, they're a little small. They're small. It's crazy. It's one of them issues at the store. That's really all they had, and it was like, oh.
I talked about you in the last video. I said, him brought home these little shrimp.
What about me?
Yeah, look at these little things.
Sometimes you gotta make an executive decision to make them things happen.
So you made an executive decision.
They're good.
For these little shrimp.
They're good.
But I was good though.
This little chicken right here.
Yeah.
Oh,
go ahead.
Huh? I thought they needed some attention.
I took my piece of chicken. You better be glad there's other pieces on this thing. How you figure they won't get no attention? I can't eat a piece of shrimp?
Yeah.
Clearly I can't. You done confiscated my chicken.
Yeah. I'm tell you no lie. I'm still mourning about Walona Woods. Man, James Dubois. The first.
Them unexpected ones hurt, man.
I said the first. I left some of my shirt there. 5-star chick of the ghetto. Throughout the years, you just don't realize how groundbreaking she really was, because she wasn't I guess you could say the typical black woman in the 70s on the show and everything. I mean, she was I guess fly, single mom. She was working, doing her thing, and we ain't gonna get on Frank Mason. That's I know you always take it there. But she could have solved a lot of problems with Frank Mason, though.
You know what? He would have hooked everybody up.
And one of my all-time favorites was on when Penny Mom came out, when she jacked her up. When she jacked her up. When Lona got down, jacked her up,
Yes.
Yeah, jacked Penny Mom up.
Yeah. About to jack Penny Mama up. You ain't getting near that baby.
Penny Mom.
Jack Penny Mama up too.
Penny Mom trying to set up Chip Fields.
Yeah. Chip Fields is a good actress.
Yeah.
She really is. I like her on Living Single.
Right, yeah.
When she really did play,
Chip Fields,
on the show. Yeah.
Yeah, she was funny.
She was.
I think James Dubois, as the road passed. Are they the only two from that cast, I think, so far?
I think so. No.
Keith
gone.
Keith, I was about to say Keith, yeah.
Keith gone to glory. Ain't Alderman Davis gone? Alderman Davis gone. Bookman's still here.
Yeah, Bookman's still here.
Thelma, Mike, and JJ still here. And Penny's still here.
Janet Jackson.
Wonder what eBay doing.
Good question.
And Frank Mason. Is Frank Mason still here?
Oh, I don't know. Frank Mason moved on, married somebody else.
You know he did. I'd have been moved on. You can keep on rejecting me.
Come to the project for you.
Right. I ain't risking my life up in Cabrini Green. Coming to see you.
Oh.
This is good. Who is this to keep calling me?
They gotta hold up. We
I know.
Show right now.
They better leave a message.
Look after our stars, though.
Yes.
Black cinema.
Well, I told you in our vlog, we got bubble wrap them or something. Check on them. Make sure they all right. Everybody from the Jeffersons gone, ain't it?
So, Marla Gill.
Except for Marla Gill.
Marla Gill, the only one.
What about the both of the
Everybody.
What's the son name?
Oh, the Lions?
Lions. Is both the Lionels gone?
That I don't know. I want to say yeah, but I'm not sure. I think the first Lionel's gone, but you know what? I'm not sure. I have to look at it.
Double check that.
Mm-hmm.
But everybody gone except for Marla Gibbs. Sanford and Son. Is Lamont? Lamont
still hanging.
Lamont the only one that's still hanging from Sanford and Son, because you know Rita Lawson boy gone.
Yeah, Rollo.
We ain't never meet Rita Lawson.
Never met Rita Lawson.
Everybody, ain't you Rita Lawson boy?
Rita Lawson boy.
Ain't nobody never met Rita Lawson.
When they came, I saw the young they was in jail.
Yeah. Esther came in. Ain't you
Rita Lawson boy? Mm-hmm. Never met Rita Lawson. Mm-hmm.
But you know what? That's how old folks determine whether you from good stock or not.
Mm-hmm. Rita Lawson boy.
When Aaron and I first started dating, that's what both sides of our families did. Mm-hmm. So it was his aunt Gertrude, God rest her soul, who knew my whole family.
Gertrude knew everybody.
So when she found out who I was, she said, "I grew up with your aunt." She said, "Lord, we couldn't wait till your mama was born." She said, "Oh, I know her." Yes.
From elementary school. Mm-hmm.
And then when my dad's mom passed, and I was telling everybody, and Aaron was telling them my dad's mom, I kept saying her nickname for us, for all the grandkids. Like all my cousins, we call my dad's mom Granny. Mm-hmm. Just Granny without the R in it. And I'm the oldest grandchild, so I take full responsibility for that name. Mm-hmm. Anyway, Aaron said, "What's your grandma's name?" I said, told him what her first and last name was. He said, "What's her nickname?" I said, "Ganny." So then I gave him a funeral program, because people always want to see the funeral program. So when he took the funeral program, that's when his Aunt Gertrude said, "Oh, that's a sister. I know sister." And I forgot that's her nickname that her adult friend, her friends call her. Sister. I said, "Oh yeah." I said, "Sister is her nickname, but we never call her sister." So yeah, I know sister. Oh, I know her mama and her daddy side of the family, And so that's, I gotta pay the okay.
No, she knew sister, but she used to hang with Aunt Grace. Because she went to
she used to hang with my Aunt Grace. I
think with your Aunt Grace.
Which is my grandmother's sister. Mm-hmm. So at my grandmother's repast, somebody had told my Aunt Grace about Aaron, right? Now, I had never talked to her about Aaron. But, Aaron and I have been together for years. So my cousin Toya calls to me and says, "Aunt Grace want to talk to you now." I was like, "What I do?"
What?
So I'm over there, because I'm over there talking to my grandma's best friend, Miss Christine. I said, "Hold on, Miss Christine. I feel like I'm in trouble." So I went over there, and she said, "Now, who is this young man I hear you date?" I said, "His name is Aaron. He's really nice. Like, I don't know why I'm nervous, And now keep in mind, we in our 40s now, so, but I'm nervous. And finally, I said, "But his Aunt Gertrude." She said, "Y'all used to take trips together." She said, "Gertrude Turner. I know Gertrude. Oh, I know he a nice young man. Bring him over to see me sometime." She just immediately loosened up and just like, okay, I can connect him to somebody. He come from good stock, that type of thing.
Good stock.
Old people they a trip. She said, "I know he a nice young man. Bring him over. Let me see him sometime, But unfortunately, she passed away like a couple months after her sister. It wasn't.
And I actually never got to actually meet her.
She never got to
always
meet
just
her.
in the past and never got to meet her. With your grandma with her desserts. Them desserts was heaven. Oh my God.
Emma can cook them desserts too. Emma can cook.
Okay, what happened?
We gotta get Emma to make us a sweet potato pie because she can make them just like my granny.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's how the old folks do. That's how they find out if you good. You come from good stock.
Mm-hmm.
They can't connect you to nobody.
Cause you can't have all that foolishness if you come from good stock.
No, we ain't gonna have all that. We've been rambling about much and nothing, but go ahead on and give this video a thumbs up. Like this video. Share this video. Let anyone and everyone know about the Foodie Gang.
Foodie Gang.
Look, go ahead on and hit the subscribe button. Once you hit that subscribe button, the notification bell will pop up. You hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified each and every time we upload a video. And like I said before, once you do that, you are officially a part of the Foodie Gang.
Mm-hmm.
Look, we always having a good time over here. Come on over. Watch some videos. Leave a comment. I'll respond to all the comments. We got a vlog channel called Hanging with the Turners. Head on over there. Check it out. We got some videos loaded. Subscribe to that channel as well. We would truly, 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 truly appreciate the support. For all of the supporters that we currently have, thank you. We love you guys. We truly appreciate you. Everyone that's new, welcome to the Foodie Gang. Enjoy yourself. You're going to have a good time, I promise you.
We'll be back doing some food reviews in the car. And, we got a couple people, that we already talked to. So, again, I talked to one a couple days ago. So, definitely.
I think first up is going to be Cara.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. She definitely will be first,
the cheerleader coach.
The
career cheerleader.
Career cheerleader.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I always want to call her the career coach because I see her more as a coach than a cheerleader, but she's the career cheerleader. I ain't trying to change your name, Cara. I just feel like you more of a coach girl. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Very, very energetic.
Yes,
first time meeting her.
Love Cara.
Man, light up the room.
Yes.
Light up the room.
Look, Cara is who you want to have in your corner. You know what I'm saying? That thing is a networking beast. You hear me?
Definitely.
I'm always on her Instagram page, liking her Instagram pictures and stories and videos, whatever. She is out and about in Richmond. She is who you definitely want to get in contact with. You want to connect with. You want to network. Cara, the career cheerleader. I want to say coach so bad. I'm sorry.
Yeah. So, like I said, we got talking about
Richmond Black Restaurant Experience
Week. Truly excited about that. Then they said they got 35 restaurants, but of course we're not gonna do 35, but we're gonna start hitting them. We actually hit some of them, throughout. But
we have some repeat places we got to go to, but we got a lot of new places we trying to hit as well.
Yeah.
We definitely got it. We definitely gonna hit up a lot of places. I've been all on Instagram and Facebook, going through their Instagram pages, looking at their food pictures, salivating, getting hungry. Yes. I can't wait. It's March 1st through the 8th. The first day is a food truck day where we I forgot the location, but it'll be on our Instagram page. The Foodie Duo 2. Follow us on Instagram. It'll be on there. Or you can follow us on Facebook, the Foodie Duo 2. If you want to look for us. But it's me, the Turners, the Foodie Duo. I post it on all social media platforms. March 1st through the 8th. The Richmond Black Restaurant Experience. It kicks off with a food truck thingy. What do you call it? Well, it's a whole bunch of different food trucks. And I'm going to lose my mind. I'm going to be so excited. Like a kid in a candy store. I ain't going to know where to go to first. But yes, Richmond Black Restaurant Experience. I'm excited. I can't wait. Okay, well, next time. Until next time. Bye.